Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video can definitely save your time because I came up with 3 great opportunities for freshers and candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience. These roles include backend, full stack and software development. The companies hiring in this video are Thyrocare, SAG Infotech and Infotroz Solutions. Some of these roles offer up to 13 LPA. So make sure to watch till the end because I will be quickly covering responsibilities, qualifications, salary and locations. First opportunity is from Thyrocare and they are hiring for the role of software engineer backend developer. This is a full-time permanent position and the company offers a very good pay, that is 10 to 13 LPA, which is a very good package for early career developers. Thyrocare is one of the India's leading health tech and diagnostic service providers. The company focuses on building technology platforms that improve the healthcare ecosystem in India. In this role, you will help build scalable backend systems and technology platforms. You will design and develop solutions capable of handling millions of API calls across the systems. You will also take ownership of technical modules and deliver features in a structured and reliable way. Another responsibility is ensuring the overall health and stability of the products your team builds. You may also convert components into reusable libraries and services which help other teams reuse code efficiently. Sometimes you may also develop quick prototypes to test new ideas or product concepts. To apply for this role, candidate must have a BTech or BE degree in CS, IT or related technical discipline. The company expects candidates to have strong problem-solving skills. You should be comfortable with at least one programming language such as Java, Kotlin, JavaScript, Python or PHP. You should also understand data structures and algorithms, OOPS concept and MVC architecture. Now coming to the second opportunity, this one is from SAG Infotech and they are hiring for the role of Java full stack developer. Candidates with 0 to 3 years of experience can apply. This is a full-time role and the company prefers candidates who are immediate joiners. Candidates from Jaipur, Rajasthan are preferred for this role. SAG Infotech is an IT service company that builds web applications and enterprise software solutions. They work on modern technology stacks and develop scalable web applications for clients. In this role, you will develop and enhance web application features. You will work on building and maintaining high performance and scalable web applications. Another responsibility is fixing issues and improving applications based on customer feedback. You may also take ownership of specific modules or user stories within the project. Candidates should have a knowledge of web application development. You should be comfortable working with technologies like HTML, CSS, TypeScript. You should also understand Java API implementation. Experience with backend frameworks such as Spring Boot or Hibernate will be helpful. Knowledge of Angular or React.js is also required. You should also understand REST APIs and web application architecture. Basic knowledge of databases like MySQL, MS SQL or Oracle is expected, along with knowledge of DSA, microservices architecture, multi-threading concepts, and Linux platform. Qualification wise, you must be graduated in BSc, BCA, BTech, BE or in any specialization you are eligible. Now coming to the third opportunity. This one is from Infotroz Solutions and they are hiring for the role of software developer. Candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience are eligible to apply. The job location is Chennai and the expected salary for this role is 2.75 to 4 LPA. Infotros Solutions is an IT service company that works on software development, web applications, and digital solutions. The company provides services in full stack development, web applications, web technologies, and software solutions for businesses. In this role, you will develop and maintain server-side applications. You will also build and maintain RESTful APIs for mobile and web applications. Another responsibility is supporting front-end developers by building back-end services. You will also work on maintaining and improving existing solutions. Candidates should have knowledge of programming languages such as Java, Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. In backend, they are looking for Node.js, SQL databases. Frameworks like Spring Boot, React, Angular or MongoDB will be an advantage. The company is mainly looking for candidates who are graduated in BTech, BE, BCA, BSc in any specialization. They are completely eligible. So yeah, these were the 3 quick opportunities. If you want more fresh job opportunities like these, Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications on. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.